This ain't the life I chose. No, no, no. Now I hear the clap of thunder when it used to be a floor.
That I chose.